Mastering polite requests in English. Can we talk? Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a common English phrase that seems simple but is loaded with nuance. Can we talk? We'll explore what it means, when to use it, and some alternative phrases you can use in different situations. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of making polite requests in English. When someone asks, "Can we talk?" they are requesting a private conversation. It implies that the speaker has something important to discuss, often of a personal or serious nature. This phrase sets a tone of seriousness and intimacy, indicating that the speaker has something on their mind that requires the listener's full attention. Context is key with "Can we talk?" It's used in personal relationships, to discuss something sensitive, at work, to address a professional matter that might be confidential, when there's a need for a serious conversation that can't wait. Remember, the tone and situation greatly affect how this phrase is interpreted. It can sometimes cause anxiety or anticipation because it often precedes a serious discussion. If "Can we talk?" feels too heavy, consider these alternatives. Do you have a moment to chat? Lighter and less serious? Is this a good time to discuss something with you? Respectful of the listener's time? I would like to talk about something when you're available. Polite and non-urgent. In different cultures, asking to talk can have different implications. In English-speaking cultures, it's often seen as formal and significant. It's important to be aware of these nuances to avoid misunderstandings. "Can we talk?" is a powerful phrase that opens the door to meaningful conversations. We hope this video has shed light on its use and alternatives. Remember, effective communication is key in any language, and understanding such phrases can make a big difference. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering polite requests in English in no time. Thanks for watching.